Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer crypto from eToro to Binance. There are actually two main ways to do this, so let's go through them step by step. Option 1, sell and rebuy. The first method is simple, but it's not a direct transfer. Sell your crypto on eToro. Withdraw the money to your bank account or payment method. Deposit those funds into Binance. Finally, buy the crypto again on Binance. This works, but it can take more time and include extra fees. Option 2, using the eToro Money Wallet. The second way is to move your crypto directly. For this, you'll need the eToro Money app, which is eToro's official crypto wallet. Download the eToro Money app on your phone and log in with your eToro account. In your eToro trading account, go to the crypto you want to transfer. Open the position and look for the option Transfer to Wallet. Note, you need to be fully verified on eToro to access this feature. Once the transfer is complete, open the eToro Money app. Select the crypto you transferred, tap Send, and paste your Binance wallet address for that specific coin. Make sure you copy the correct address type, example, BTC, ETH, and etc. Confirm the transaction, and your crypto will be sent from eToro to Binance. And that's it. Those are two ways you can move your crypto from eToro to Binance. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.